Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use applications in pop-up window on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So go to the recent applications menu, tap on this left button in your navigation bar, and here is the list of recently opened applications. So choose the desired application and tap on its icon in the top of the thumbnail. And you see this floating menu, tap open in pop-up view, and here we are. Now we have the floating window and we can control this window using this small blue line. You can drag the window over the screen. You can tap on this line and see the control panel. Let me show you how it works. This button allows you to open the application in the split screen mode and tap on the line again to minimize back to a pop-up window. The next button allows you to adjust the window's transparency. The next button allows you to minimize this window to a floating icon, and you will see this icon over other applications. The next button allows you to maximize the application back to the full screen, and you can't undo this action. You have to go back to the recent applications menu and tap on this icon again and open in pop-up view again if you wish so. And the next button closes the pop-up window but keeps the application opened in your recent application menu. Also, you can fix this toolbar using the left button on it and switch between different button sets using these three dots. Also, you can open 2 or more applications in floating mode. So just go to the recent applications menu, choose another applications, open them in pop-up view, and you can minimize them. And if you tap on this icon again, you see 2 applications here. I think that's it. If this information was helpful for you, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.